All right, good morning, everyone. So, today we are going to start with our poem. The name of the poem is The Squirrel. Now, this poem is written by Mildred Bowers Armstrong. The poetess has written this poem uh, just she observed a squirrel and she wrote the poem about the squirrel. She was, now let me tell you something about the poetess. She was very ambitious girl since her childhood. She was good at studies. She wrote many poems. But this poem, as the title suggests, this poem, in this poem, we are going to talk about a squirrel. Squirrels are basically rodents, है ना? So it is a very lovely, very playful, very beautiful animal. It has a playful nature and it is very high spirited. They keep running here and there, isn't it? Have you ever seen a squirrel? When you see it, it starts running here and there. So, in this short and beautiful poem, we get the description of a squirrel. Now, let us start the poem. He wore a question mark for tail. He here is referring to the squirrel. He wore a question mark for tail and overcoat of grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play. And he liked to tease and play. And if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. In a very short poem, very brief poem, the poetess has described about the squirrel. He here is referring to the squirrel. So, what does the poet say? The poet says that the tail of the squirrel looks like a question mark. Now, if you notice in the picture, if you see in the picture, you can see that the tail of the squirrel is twisted in the form of a question mark. Next is an overcoat of grey. An overcoat of grey means the squirrel has a skin which is grey in color. It is long coat, grey in color. Skin of the squirrel is compared to an overcoat, right? He sat up straight to eat a nut. When the squirrel eats something, it sits very straight to eat. We know that squirrels love to eat nuts, right? But when what we need to notice is that when they sit to eat something, they sit straight. And if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. And if we see the squirrel eating, it just bends and moves here and there. When we go near the squirrel, it runs away from us. As it is of playful nature, it likes to play. When it eats, it sits straight. But when someone notices the squirrel eating something, it becomes playful. It runs away from that person, right? This is how we come to know about the poetess observation, that how minutely has she observed the squirrel, the playful nature, the joyful nature, the love of a squirrel, the way she sits while eating. So basically, in this poem, what we have noticed it, that first the shape of the tail, secondly the overcoat of gray. Overcoat of gray means the skin of the squirrel is long, it covers the whole body of the squirrel, it is grayish in color. As in winters we wear overcoats, long coats to protect ourselves from winter, so squirrel's skin is like it is wearing an overcoat of gray. So the third thing we notice in the poem is the sitting posture of the squirrel when it eats. And fourth is the description of being playful animal, right? And the last thing which we notice in the poem is the human interaction or human intervention in the life of the squirrel. ये चार चीजें इन छोटी सी चार लाइनों की पोएम में we can observe these many things. So I hope this poem is clear to you all.